The Temptations, Martha and the Vandellas, the music of Motown coming alive in the 50s and 60s, and life in the Motor City was booming.
I need love, love.
Post-World War II marked the beginning of one of the biggest economic booms in American history. It saw the birth of American excess. Having more and playing more. It's when we started shopping for leisure, not necessity. In Northwest Detroit, the Avenue of Fashion was where style was king. Livernois Avenue between 6th and 8 Mile was a stronghold of luxury shopping. B. Siegel, Sibley Shoes, Jacobson's, Billy's Clothing. Shop till you drop, baby. Eventually, the Avenue, like other Detroit neighborhoods, fell on hard times. Crime along Livernois soared, and the businesses left. And now, as Detroit once again begins to thrive, community and business leaders are pushing to bring back Detroit's historic Avenue of Fashion and revive the entire neighborhood.
Look. People have come out of nowhere, owning businesses and walking the avenue shopping. I think the malls has run its course. We have so many mall closings. People want that boutique, personalized shopping experience, and they've chosen Livernois to do that.
It's more personal, it's more hands-on, and it's more consideration given to you as an individual.
Shops like Times Square, Goodness Gracious, and Narrow Way Cafe are building on success.
Now what you have is just a plethora of opportunity of business owners that are opening up places that meet the needs of the people, not only in this neighborhood, but those that are coming to the Avenue of Fashion. So whether it's Cuzzle's Chicken and Waffles, our new coffee shop, Narrow Way, Times Square, the Shoebox, all these different wonderful stores are able to uniquely give people exactly what they've been looking for in terms of a shopping experience. But I gotta say that personalized touch is what sets us apart from the big box retailer malls.
And major development is coming to the Avenue once again. What was once the B. Siegel building will soon be transformed into housing for staff and students at U of D and Marygrove College. It will also include retail space and underground parking.
Any business owners that's thinking about going to business, consider Livernois, but don't think too long because there won't be any space available. We're growing leaps and bounds, and it's only going to get better.